The ultimate guide to mastering the art of cosmetics makeup in the world of beauty. Cosmetics makeup has emerged as an essential skill that transcends the boundaries of simple grooming. It is a powerful tool that can transform appearances, enhance natural beauty, and even boost confidence. As professionals in the beauty industry, we understand that mastering the art of cosmetics makeup requires a blend of knowledge, creativity, and practice. Understanding the basics of cosmetics makeup. What is cosmetics makeup? Cosmetic makeup refers to applying products on the skin to enhance or alter its appearance. This includes everything from foundation and concealer to eyeshadow and lipstick. The key to successful makeup application lies in understanding the products, their purposes, and their interaction with different skin types and tones. The importance of skin preparation before applying makeup. It is crucial to prepare the skin properly. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing form the foundation of any makeup routine. Properly prepared skin ensures that makeup goes on smoothly, lasts longer, and looks natural. For oily skin types, using a mattifying primer can help control shine, while those with dry skin should opt for a hydrating primer to create a smooth canvas. Foundation. The base of every look. Choosing the right foundation. The foundation is the cornerstone of any makeup look. It is essential to select a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. Foundations come in various forms, including liquid, powder, cream, and stick. For a natural look, choose a foundation that blends seamlessly with your skin tone and provides the desired level of coverage, whether it's sheer, medium, or full coverage. Application techniques for flawless finish. The method of applying foundation can significantly affect the final look. Brushes, sponges, and fingers are standard tools used for application. A damp makeup sponge, such as a beauty blender, can provide a dewy, airbrushed finish, while a brush offers more precision and coverage. Always start with a small amount of product and build up as needed to avoid a cakey appearance. Contouring and highlighting. Sculpting the face. Understanding contouring and highlighting. Contouring and highlighting are techniques used to define and enhance the structure of the face. Contouring involves using a shade darker than your natural skin tone to create shadows and define features, while highlighting uses a lighter shade to bring forward certain face areas. Steps to achieve a sculpted look. Identify critical areas. Contour the hollows of the cheeks, sides of the nose, and along the jawline. Highlight the tops of the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, and the center of the forehead. Blend seamlessly. Use a blending brush or sponge to ensure there are no harsh lines, creating a natural, sculpted appearance. Set with powder. To safeguard your contour and highlights stay in place all day, set them with a translucent powder. Eyeshadow. Enhancing the windows to the soul. Choosing the right eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow can dramatically change the look of your eyes, making them appear larger or more defined, or simply adding a pop of color. When choosing an eyeshadow palette, consider your eye color and the occasion. Neutral shades are perfect for everyday wear, while bold colors can be used for more dramatic looks. Application techniques for different eye shapes. Different eye shapes require different eyeshadow techniques. For example, those with hooded eyes should focus on applying darker shades in the crease to create depth, while individuals with round eyes might apply a winged liner to elongate the shape. Blending is critical to achieving a seamless look. Use a fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow, ensuring there are no harsh edges. Perfecting the eyeliner and mascara. Gain types of eyeliner and their uses. Eyeliner comes in various forms: pencil, liquid, gel, and kohl, each offering different levels of intensity and precision. A liquid liner is ideal for creating sharp, defined lines, while a pencil liner provides a softer, more smudged look. For a natural appearance, opt for brown eyeliner, while black provides a more dramatic effect. Mascara. The finishing touch. Mascara is the final step in eye makeup, and it can significantly impact the overall look. Its primary functions are lengthening, volumizing, and curling. Apply mascara from the roots to the tips of the lashes, wiggling the wand as you go to separate the lashes and avoid clumps. Lips. The bold statement. Selecting the perfect lip color. Lip color can tie the entire makeup look together. Nudes, reds, pinks, and berry tones are popular choices, depending on the occasion and the rest of the makeup. When selecting a lip color, consider your skin tone. Warm tones look best with orange-based reds and pinks, while cool tones suit blue-based reds and purples. Applying lipstick for long-lasting wear. For long-lasting lipstick, start by lining the lips with a lip liner that matches your lipstick color. This not only defines the lips but also prevents the lipstick from feathering. Apply the lipstick with a brush for precision, blot with a tissue, and apply a second layer for durability. Conclusion: the art of cosmetics makeup. Mastering cosmetics makeup is not just about following trends. It's about understanding the techniques, choosing the right products, and practicing regularly. Whether you are aiming for a natural day look or a glamorous evening appearance, the key to success lies in attention to detail and a willingness to experiment. By following the guidelines outlined in this article, you will be well on your way to becoming a cosmetics makeup expert, capable of creating stunning looks that enhance your natural beauty.